आगे नहीं लगा।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is coming very slow.
Good afternoon, beta. Now it is okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
My
Yes,
voice
beta.
coming?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm saying that in last for class I was disconnected. So can you please send me the questions again?
Which were asked yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
But that
I
was
will
shared in the
complete.
that was shared in the class group.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Okay,
That was
ma'am.
shared in the class group, beta. Yesterday after the class. I
Okay,
think
ma'am.
during the class only it was shared. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
What is everybody doing?
Ma'am, fine.
How was the first exam?
Ma'am, very nice.
Ma'am, very good.
Very
ma'am.
nice. Amazing.
Ma'am, nice.
That's so.
Ma'am, fine.
Ma'am, is my voice coming?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Let everyone join.
Ma'am, how are you?
I am good. Satvik seems little tired today, huh? No, completely fresh.
Ma'am, just a little bit sad because my earphone just
Oh,
broke
what
into
happened?
two.
Oh my
Ma'am,
God.
nothing. It was just its acting. He was acting since 3 to 4 weeks. I
Okay.
just bought it 3 to 4 weeks back.
Okay. Chalo, no issues. Get them changed or replaced, whatsoever the guarantee period says. Okay.
There's no guarantee, no warranty.
No warranty, no guarantee. In this world, nothing comes
Ma'am,
with.
because these are not company ones. These are the local ones.
So these are the local ones. You know what? Huh? Okay. Students are still coming.
Ma'am, some voice is coming.
I know. Okay. Fine. I'll be sharing the screen with you all. Let everyone get in. So,
Ma'am, new worksheet.
yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, how many pages I leave to that one worksheet?
What did you say? I didn't get you.
Ma'am, actually in my copy, ma'am, how many pages I left to do?
Okay, how many pages you have to leave to do that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, for checking our copies, we have to make PDF and send to you.
When? After the test or for this?
Ma'am, the work that we have done in our copies. Ma'am, for checking.
You people
Ma'am,
have
I've
not
already.
told no to submit the notebooks in the school.
Ma'am, I have submitted, but you have not checked. That's why I'm asking.
But I did notebooks. Beta, when I went to school, there was no notebook in class 7th, you know.
Ma'am, I submitted it on 27. Ma'am, I submitted on 27 June only.
Ma'am, I also submitted.
I also.
No problems.
Ma'am, I have shared my PDF of chapter 1 on geography group. My work.
Okay. Okay. I am sharing the screen with you people.
Ma'am, I couldn't send it.
Ma'am, what we are going to do today?
What we are going to do today? We are going to revise.
Ma'am, chapter 1, our environment.
Yes. So,
Did you know, ma'am? I have learned the whole chapter, ma'am.
very good. So today, after doing the worksheet, you will come to know, I will come to know that how much you have done. Okay?
Ma'am, I have learned only question answer.
No, this is
Ma'am,
not the right practice.
Ma'am, I have also learned the whole.
Beta, I have always told you. Beta, you people need to be thorough with the chapter. Am I clear? By only doing question answers given at the back,
Yes, ma'am.
it is not going to help you. I am telling you again.
Ma'am, I will ma'am revise the chapter between also.
You have to.
Ma'am, I have also do.
you my chapter PDF.
You have sent me your chapter PDF.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am means you.
Which chapters are coming in UT?
Only one,
Ma'am, only one is coming.
only one chapter is coming. Yes.
Ma'am, you
That
said
means only
you
one chapter
can.
you have
Ma'am, we
done.
can. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, you
Just-
said that we have to. We can send 2 or 3 also.
Yes, I
All
told you that.
chapters that you have done till
Yes,
till
yes.
now.
I told you that also.
1,
No?
2, and 3.
Yes. Fine. So here I go.
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
Wait a second. Okay. Here I share the screen.
It hasn't started yet. Ma'am, you can
Now can you see?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
see?
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Yes.
No, ma'am. I can see it is written Sakshi ma'am has started screen sharing.
No, no.
These are fill in the blanks. Ma'am, can we
I
write?
Beta,
cannot able to see.
why it is not? Why you're not able to see? Can you all see the screen?
I'm able to see. Yes, ma'am. Now,
Yes,
ma'am, I
ma'am.
can
Ma'am,
see.
I also able to see.
Now, now, ma'am, I can able to see.
See,
Ma'am,
now
can
I
I-
am able to see the
I,
screen.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
have a doubt.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I'm saying that we have to only write answers.
Only
Because
answer
these are fill in the
right?
blanks.
I will share this in the class group. Okay.
ma'am, can I share on
No, no.
geography group?
No, no, I will share it. I have the PDF now. Shall I share it now so that you can do all?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Share it.
Ma'am, what does mean WS?
Worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Worksheet.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
S. Okay, ma'am.
I have shared on the class group. Do it
Yes.
and send me the
Okay,
answer.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for sending.
There are how many questions do you know?
Ma'am, what?
There are 13 questions and you take 20 minutes to do it. Okay?
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
And ma'am, after doing, we have to.
We will discuss it in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am, we will not send in group.
Of course, you have to send it on the class group, but then we will discuss also, no?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Right? You
Okay, ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Carry on.
Ma'am, can I join from my other device because my phone battery is low?
Okay, beta, you can. Utkarsh Sharma.
Ma'am, Sarah is saying on the group that she was not connecting and it is written that her Zoom isn't responding.
Zoom is not responding.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, tell her to refresh her. Tell her to refresh her Zoom. Sometimes it so happens that it requires refreshing, no?
Okay, ma'am. Same.
Ma'am, like we does not respond, ma'am, when we are not fresh.
What did you say?
Ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, we doesn't respond, ma'am, when we are not fresh.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
Ma'am, can I write questions also?
That is your choice. I have
Ma'am,
already,
please scroll.
but I have shared the PDF on the class group.
Send the answer group.
Hanji, once you are done with your answers, send it on the group. Yes, beta.
Scroll down.
Yes, beta. Scrolling down.
Ma'am, yes, now stop.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain, ma'am, 13?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain 13th question?
Just a second. बेटा डिस्टिंग्विश करते हैं हम लोग जैसे, डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं जैसे, इट इज लाइक दैट ओनली. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Okay. Which one you want?
Ma'am, sixth one.
Huh?
Ma'am, sixth one.
Sixth one. It is there. It is showing.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, actually, I'm drawing the diagram in this page, and I've written the answers in this page.
It is okay. No issues.
So, ma'am, can I, in next 12 part, can I start it here?
Yes, yes, you can. You can, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
दिखी भी
beta.
चलती हैं पूरी पूरी क्लास
Ma'am, it is compulsory to color it
If you will
or
do it,
only
it is. If you will do it, it will look good and it will give a. It will look good. No, if you will color it.
ma'am actually ma'am if we have time so
Ma'am.
can I color it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am,
Ma'am.
I'm coloring.
Yes, beta.
मैम एग्जाम में फिर don't color and make बेटा
तो मैं बेच के
सेंड करती
हूँ कर रही है वो
मैम प्लीज से तो परिधि तो अनम्यूट म्यूट
Ma'am, in 11th question, can we just draw?
You can, yes. You have to properly label it also no. So that you have to
Yes.
keep in mind.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, scroll down.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Done? All?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Send it on the class group.
Ma'am, please camera my off.
You can.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes. Okay.
No, ma'am, down.
Okay.
Ma'am, not up, down.
Down I did, you said not down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to color diagrams also.
If you will color it, it will look nice. But if you don't have time right now, don't color it. Okay.
Ma'am, in exam, ma'am, if we don't color and we will label it
You have to,
neatly, so we will get marks.
In exam, you have to
Ma'am.
color. In exam, you have to color.
Ma'am, in exam.
Of course, you have to color, beta.
Yes, ma'am. In this I know. Ma'am,
Where we can find ecosystem?
It is in the book only.
Ma'am, it is in the book only, ma'am, but really, ma'am, where we can find it?
It is with us only everywhere.
Okay,
Where
ma'am.
you are living, that is your ecosystem. Where I am living, that is my ecosystem. My surroundings.
Ma'am, I know all answer, ma'am, all.
Very good.
Ma'am, except the first one.
Except the first one.
My first answer is that we have writing second answer.
Exactly. Very smart, huh? Good.
Ma'am, he told the answer.
Ma'am, in exam, if we write good handwriting, so we will get 1 marks extra.
Why extra? No extra marks. Of course, for
So,
neatness.
ma'am, if
Of course,
anybody
for
write everything,
see for neatness. Of course, you will get marks for neatness. Okay.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, if anybody got 80 and ma'am, he write good handwriting, so ma'am, there would be no logic 81 out of 80.
Exactly. So logically, we will do things. No.
Ma'am, but half marks.
Okay, you tell me out of 80, can I give you 80 and a half? Tell me.
Ma'am, in one joke, I saw that one child has got 105 out of 100.
Jokes
Ma'am,
are
5
always
marks
like-
extra. Ma'am, 5
Jokes?
marks extra because he wrote 2 essays. 5
wrote
marks
2?
each, and he have essays.
Okay.
And when one essay he has to write.
School teachers also say that only. If you will write 2 essays, so the teacher won't give you more marks.
Exactly. When it is asked one, you are supposed to give one only, no?
What
Mom, children used to think if this will not write, then teacher will think that this. I think I have to give this one for this one marks. I have to give.
Exactly.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it can be like that, ma'am, if a topic is one and the person wrote, ma'am, 3 essays for one topic only.
Ha.
Ma'am, so the teacher is having problem that, ma'am, what to check, what to not.
What not to check? Exactly.
Ma'am, if any child has got the wrong answer and his handwriting is good, so he will get marks.
No.
For wrong answers, will you give
Not
marks?
at all.
No
No.
wrong answers and the handwriting is good.
Wrong answer, but writing is good. How is it going
No.
to help? Huh?
Ma'am, my mother used to say that these all handwritings and all come in your subject enrichment and projects and all.
Exactly. He's right.
Ma'am, in exam geography part is of how many marks?
What did you say, beta?
Ma'am, geography part is of how many marks
What?
in exam?
Ma'am, can you explain the question 13?
Yes. I can.
Ma'am, please explain what it is.
Beta, it is asking you. ये कौन अथर्व सक्सेना मेरा ये स्क्रीन गंदा करोगे अपना पेपर गंदा करो हाँ Why spoiling my screen?
Ma'am,
बेटा
please explain.
बेटा you have to show difference. हम differentiate करते हैं ना
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये वो वाला क्वेश्चन है आपको डिफरेंशिएट करना है हाइड्रोस्फीयर और लिथोस्फीयर में बच्चा ठीक है
Ma'am, it was
Ma'am,
about.
Yes.
ma'am, we have to only write 2 points.
Yes.
Or ma'am more.
Only 2 points.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, in 12th question, first part, we have to write the names or we have to define them.
You have to in the first.
Ma'am,
He's
we have
asking
to
the-
only write the names or we have to write about them.
In which question?
Definition
you have,
also.
which question? Definitions you
Ma'am,
have.
in 12th question.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Define
12th
define
question,
the
first
following.
part.
You
Ma'am,
have to
define the following.
Yes, you have to define the following.
Ma'am, only we have to define the definition.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done the diagram. See,
Done.
ma'am, done the diagram, but it's 12 and 13 question are left. Ma'am, I'm doing that.
Okay.
Ma'am, in exam, do we have to color?
Yes, you have to color.
Ma'am,
Yes.
and geography is of 20 marks in exam part.
14 marks.
Ma'am, geography is a 14 and ma'am, history is 13, 13.
Yes.
One mark extra for good handwriting.
IDK. Will that do? Huh? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
if any child handwriting is good, so he will got ma'am 5 marks more.
He or she will get 5 marks more.
Ma'am, now these ma'am mute all.
Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, I can see the screen.
Okay. So if I have to go back, how do I do that? No.
Ma'am, how big lithosphere was it?
Huh?
Ma'am, it is so small and
Ma'am, now small,
Ma'am.
ma'am, now big.
Now it is okay,
Ma'am,
no?
please. Yes, ma'am, please repeat the 12th question, second part. I am not able to understand.
Which one? Which one? 12th. Beta, define the following. Biotic components could
No,
define.
ma'am, no, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, second part. The spelling I am not able to understand.
Second part किसका बच्चे?
12th part. 12th question, second part.
Lumbering, Lumbering, lumbering. What is lumbering?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Punita.
Ma'am, nothing. I'm not saying anything.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes. What is your
Ma'am,
question?
why ma'am geography class is combined always?
Even civics class is combined always.
Yes, ma'am, but ma'am, history not.
History is not combined.
Ma'am,
Yes,
sometimes
ma'am.
combined,
No,
sometimes.
Ma'am, history is not combined anytime.
So you want the
Yes, ma'am. And
want-
always geography
ma'am.
classes combined.
Huh?
Ma'am,
You-
why?
Ma'am, we want
Ma'am,
separate.
why?
Ma'am, we want separate.
Acha, you
Ma'am,
want
we
the-
want separate.
Always.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, okay. So आप लोगों की बात I'll try to
Yes, ma'am, we want separate.
you want a separate class.
Ma'am, you will ma'am say to sir.
I will tell this to sir. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, please tell this to Gagandeep sir also, ma'am, because we have merged class of civics also.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, it is right now it is not possible. Reason being, these are online classes, and
Yes,
acha, listen. I want to share. Acha, I am sharing the screen with you all again. Okay. But
Ma'am,
I-
can we, ma'am,
Ma'am,
can we
my
say
test is
lithosphere?
almost done.
it
Ma'am,
is-
I have done the test. Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
want to
my
say that.
worksheet is
Ma'am,
almost
can
done.
we? Ma'am,
Can-
can we say lithosphere as domain of land?
No. Yes. No, we don't say lithosphere as domain of land.
A hydrosphere.
Ma'am, all is filled with SRI.
Ma'am, SRI was full.
I know.
Ma'am, WhatsApp name is SRI WhatsApp.
Okay. I want to show you one thing.
Yes,
Screen-
ma'am, the third.
Beta, this is how you need to draw the diagram.
Ma'am, very